Alright, looks like you guys want to see a lot of different things drawn in my style. So today I'm actually going to be going through my YouTube comments together with you, picking my 3 favorite requests and drawing them for you live. How does that sound? I actually really love my YouTube crowd. Like, this platform has changed my life. To my YouTube subscribers, I love you so much, and I'm always trying to get better for you. I love exploring making long form videos just like this for you, but it is a completely new skill for me. So I'm very lucky to have the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare, have my back on this. For those of you that have never heard of it before, Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across anything like film, illustration, design, freelance, productivity, and more. Skillshare can help you take your career, skills, hobbies, passions, or side hustles to the next level. I have been wanting to get better at filming and editing long form YouTube videos just like this one, because like I said, it's very new to me. So I've just started taking these YouTube success lessons. It's life-changing. I already feel so much more motivation just by watching masters of their craft teach it to other people on Skillshare. So if you're interested in learning a new skill or maybe improving one that you already have, Skillshare has almost any class you could think of. Film, illustration, design, animation, entrepreneurship. That is the kind of content that I've been binging on Skillshare, and I'm sure you can find something that you can improve on as well. And you can get started right now because the first 500 people to use my link will get a month of free Skillshare. So go grab that opportunity. The link is in the description of this video. Like, go get it. It's an amazing opportunity. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen with you, and that means we're gonna be going through YouTube comments together and looking for what we're gonna draw. Okay, let's go into YouTube, and I'm just gonna go from the most recent comments. I have been getting a bit of hate on YouTube too, so ignore that if you see any of that. You're my idol, I got your book, I'm so excited. See, there's sweet comments too. I'm gonna screenshot that. Now let's just scroll these and look at what people like. Most of the comments I get is requests of what they want me to draw. Can you please do a cat in a sock for me? How's a cat in a sock sound? I mean, I want to do something more unusual for this video. Can you draw a cow? Now that's what I'm talking about. That is a bit more interesting for me because I don't think I have ever drawn a cow. So what we're gonna do is, let's go into Procreate. I'm just gonna go with screen size for this, and let's go to Pinterest and look for reference images of a that was for a personal project. I can't close it. Yeah, I'm just not gonna get into it. Let's see. Cow. So you guys never draw without a reference. That's just like such a waste of time. I'm gonna look for a reference of an actual cow. How about this? Pretty straightforward, right? Let's draw this cow. And let's just start. These are like my stencils that I sell for kind of just tracing in Procreate. They're super fun. I'll link them in the description too. I just came out with these dog ones where you can just practice lining. I recently got a lot of hate for selling them, but like, you know, they're still good. I'm gonna start with a sketch. And boxy nose. This is where the eyes are gonna come in. Okay, this looks cursed, but like ignore it, okay? It's like, trust the process, okay? Maybe. Woo! Okay. Indicate the ears here, and it's got like that. And I'm gonna draw like proper horns to it. I'm not gonna go with the whole one horn turby thing. I'm just gonna go with that. That is huge for a head. Then the body is literally a square. It's a block of butter. I don't care, because what do cows make? Butter. Anyway, we want this as squishy as we can have it. So we are going to draw that little thing that it has going on, but we're not going to make it too saggy. I'm just going to start by indicating the legs like that. I'm also going to indicate the belly, and then these. It's going great. And then I'm actually going to draw the tail, even though you can't really see it. Is that a convincing cow? Kinda, maybe. What do cow feet look like? I can't. Like, oh my god. Oh god. Okay. But I was kind of right though. You just go like that. I want this squishier, so I'm gonna just make the legs shorter like that, and then I'm gonna flip the canvas and see that it's not as bad as I thought it would be. To trace, I use my squishy brush. It's available in all of the sets that I sell, but the closest thing to my squishy brush would be the monoline brush from the calligraphy set, just so you know. Why does it like look so cursed? Okay, she's cute. Maybe if we make it like a little bit fluffier. Who needs anatomy? It's a squishy style. Okay, I need a little bit of anatomy. That looks good. Poofs, guys. Oh my god. Can we just leave it at that? Like, does it look horrible? Kinda, but I'm just gonna leave it. This is embarrassing how much time I'm spending on a leg. Alright. I am pretty happy with that until I flip it. That leg still looks way too thin. That'll do. Let's hide the background, and I'm gonna set the cow to reference. And then I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna fill it with white. Then I will just draw with the black and clip it to the white. But I'm gonna add the pink details first. We're gonna do a nice pink nose. I see the white pixel. I'm not gonna do anything about it. Now we have our pink, our black, but I'm not gonna get like pitch black because I still kind of want the eyes to be seen. I'm gonna stray from the reference when it comes to the markings because I kind of want to do my own thing. We're gonna have to deal with one eye being a bit less seen. But what my Procreate just crap. You're kidding! Oh, I can't undo. Wow, I have to start that all over again. Pink nose. Are they called teeth? I think they are. And then I'm just gonna do like some big blotches. She's cute. I love her. I'm gonna name her Patricia. I have to stop naming things Patricia. My sourdough starter is already Patricia, okay? This cow is gonna be Butterscotch. So cliche for a cow, okay? You guys name her. I give up. Best cow name wins something. It's a very heart-shaped cow. And that is our cow for today. Oh, I want yellowish orange horns. I was about to say antlers. That's our cow. Rate her in the comments out of 10 and give her name. And let's look for our next victim. A victim. Let's go back into those YouTube comments. So many comments that I don't have time to reply to. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying my best to reply to everyone. Done bunnies. Capybara. You know what? Capybara has been a very common request. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Okay, capybara. I'm just gonna go with this. I'm gonna group the cow, which we have not named, and I'm gonna insert these. Oval, ear, connect. I don't really draw eyes like that usually, but I'm kind of feeling it right now. Orange. You know what? I'm happy with that. This was pretty straightforward. Does that look capybara? Something's off. Oh, that's the thing. Nose is like going flat. Yeah, it's not going upwards. It's going flat. Oh my god, that is so much better. I'm gonna leave it at that, otherwise we'll never get to coloring. Okay, let's get like a juicy kind of brown, kind of juicy brown, and then get a juicy kind of orange. They always draw capybaras with a lot of fruit, especially oranges. What is it with that? If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Are we happy with the capybara? I feel like it's not my best work.
I feel like I could do squishier.
Okay, let's draw our third victim. Just let me know in the comments where I could have done better with the capybara. I feel like it's not my best work. Last but not least, what are we drawing? I want something that I haven't drawn before. Highland cow would be cool, but I just did a cow. A whale shark. Win. I've never drawn a whale shark. Let's do it. I want to get the big mouth. Okay, let's sketch in a blue because the occasion calls for it. Maybe I should make tracing stencils with like sea critters if this works out. We're gonna work starting from the mouth and the eyes. That's great. That's amazing. Then we're gonna kind of work into the fading point. That looks great. Yep, that's great. Trust the process, guys. That's not looking 3D right now. Let's try to liquefy it. I kind of struggle drawing so fast as I do for these videos. So if we can just get this bigger and pinch this way smaller, push him around a little, and probably we wouldn't really be able to see that because that is the nose technically. So technically we wouldn't really be able to see the other eye, although yeah, we won't be able to see the other eye. So this kind of the mouth ends here and maybe the other eye is like there, but no, we can't see it. We're just gonna have to leave it like that. Can I quit yet? This might have to be my first failure because I actually don't. This needs to happen so fast right now. I don't really understand how to make it happen. It's like it's almost working, but then I can't get the depth of it right. Hold on. Let's go with that. I think that's the best that I've got for you guys today. The art is not arting, but I'm making this video anyway. Maybe that's better. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay, let's line it now. This is like one of the worst things I've ever drawn, I think, but I'm happy you get to see me in moments of uncertainty and not just when I freehand a bunch of cats like a pro. Because when it comes to cats, I am a pro, but then drawing things I've never drawn before, woo, count me out. Like, it's gonna take forever and it's probably not gonna look good. Okay, in case you don't know, we're actually supposed to be getting a cyclone in Australia like any minute now, so this is the last video I ever make. Now you know why. That eye is really big. Oh, I forgot this. And think that should be good. That is very foreshortened, and I can't really tell if it's working, but it's also all I've got right now. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. I think this one's gonna be a miss. Anyways, color. I'm gonna color the mouth pink because I can. And then on top, it's nice. Now we go in with the dots. I'm gonna draw like bigger dots. Do they have like a pattern or are they more random? I don't think marine animals are my forte. So this is our whale shark. I don't know if I nailed this one or the capybara. I'm gonna be honest with you, but you let me know if you thought they were a hit or a miss. It was a bit rushed too, but I feel like I need to do these quickly just to keep it fun. But let me know if you want me to do a shorter time limit, like a time limit at all, or if you want me to actually take more time on these, and what else you would like to see in the squishy style. Out of these, my favorite was probably the cow. Probably my favorite. Let me know which one is your favorite. Whale shark, I feel like could use more work, but let me know.